Hey guys, let's practice some time again together. So let's review. This is an analog clock, and the analog clock has two hands. We have the hour hand, and then we have the minute hand, which is the longer hand. So the first thing we do is we look at the shorter hand. Okay, we look at the short hand, and that's the hour hand, and we figure out what number it has passed. And once you figure out what number that's passed, you're going to write it right here on the left, okay? And so that's the first number we're going to write. And we see that it is past 7, so that is, we are at the 7th hour. In the minute hand, we count by 5s. We can count every single little notch. But if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 notches till you get to 1. So if you want to, you can count by 5s, which would be much faster until you get to that minute hand, which is sort of like our stop sign. So let's count. Ready? 5, 10, 15, stop. Okay, and so we can see that it is 7:15. And our digital clock right here will show it with the hour and then that colon that separates the hour and the minutes, and then the minutes at the end. All right, let's rock around the clock. Here we go. So if you're taking a look at this clock, we take a look at the hour hand again, and it's pointing past the 2. It's not yet at the 3. So I know it is 2 something, okay? And so now we're going to count by 5s until we get close to that minute hand. But look, that minute hand actually is past the 7. So we're going to stop here at the 7, and then we're going to continue counting on until we get to that one. Sometimes I like to bring that arrow out a little bit more. So let's count together. Count by 5s, and we're going to stop at the 5s, or at the 7. We're going to count by 5s all the way to that 7, and then we're going to stop and start counting by 1s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, stop. Switch your mindset. Let's start counting by 1s. 36, 37, and that's where we're going to stop at that minute hand, and it is 2:37. Let me get my pen back up. So 2:37 is that time. All right, let's practice with this problem. Tina went to a movie that started at 3:30. The movie lasted for 105 minutes. What time did the movie end? So I'm going to go ahead and circle these important numbers, which are times, 3:30 and 105 minutes. Okay, so we're going to use a strategy, a number line strategy, just like what we've used before for like fractions. So it says to break apart the elapsed time into intervals. You know that 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Write this time as a sum using 60 minutes as one of the add-ins. So I know 105 minutes equals 60 minutes plus the leftover 45 minutes. So then what you can do is draw a number line. Add the time intervals. Draw a number line with 15-minute intervals. Start at 3:30. Add each time interval, 60 minutes plus 45 minutes. 45 minutes equals 30 minutes plus 15 minutes. So you can break that down if that would help you, or you can just count on. So I know 3:30 to 4:30 is 1 hour, okay? And then I'm going to do 45. So I know that would be 30 till the next hour from 4:30 to 5. And then I still need my leftover 15 to get to 5:15. So we can find the time that the movie ended, and we can read that number line, okay? When we have 90 plus 45 equals 105 minutes, okay? So I can see that when I added 105 minutes to 3:30, our starting time, we ended at 5:15. Okay, let's practice this a little bit tonight for homework. We'll continue practicing tomorrow in class as well. Great job, friends.